Good to go?
Roof repair test for 3604. So obviously going to be replacing the shingle due to damage, wind damage. So go ahead. Start lifting some of these shingles. You can already see all the granule loss, just, I mean, that's bad already. Nice and easy. Alright. See where this one ends. So the seam break is here, so we're going to take off these right here. You see all the granules just dropping everywhere. We ain't even started yet. That's crazy. Alright. Oh, we're doing a roof repair test here. Alright. So, go ahead and start.
Yeah, that's a lot of granules falling.
Yeah, and I'm not even really doing anything yet, so it's clearly not good. I'm not lifting the shingles too high, so we're not going to cause any further damages. Break stops here. Pretty close. There's one over here. Now, all those granules coming forward. Nice and beautiful, right?
Yep. Woo, that's hot.
Yeah.
I gotta adjust. Woo!
Make you reconsider roofing over here, right?
Yeah.
Gotta have fun with it though. Definitely a lot of granule loss. My shingle's not wanting to stay.
It's not a bad root snake, right?
No, it's actually
Not for 25 bucks.
really nice. I definitely won't complain for $25.
So you're going out to Orlando with him?
One second.
No, you good.
Sorry.
No, you're good, Brody.
Shingle's starting to just fall apart underneath there, and I'm just barely pushing, so.
Yeah, I can see that. It's looking at them granules.
Yeah, you can actually see where if I start lifting, it just more and more granules are coming off. So try to be careful. You can. So I believe that's the last of the nails. I would be correct. Now we're gonna cut the fit.
I got it.
Thank you, sir. Wasn't so bad on the granule loss.
Oh, that's a hook knife you're talking to me about.
Yep.
Oh, shit.
Nice little hook knife, always plays in well. Looks like I may have missed one. And I did. I do apologize for that. I'm barely pulling. These holes are just opening up. Like double the size of the. See if I can let you see. Look at that. The hole's only that freaking big, yet the whole gap's opened up. They're just falling apart. Just don't see how any of this is gonna last. And very minimal bonding for sealant as well. So that's gonna be a big issue down the road. But said we're here to do a job, we're gonna do what we can. See, that's all just coming apart.
Yeah, we're gonna have to be careful coming on the way down because
Yeah, my feet are already slipping and I'm tearing into another shingle. So I would advise probably should have brought a rope or something up here. I didn't know it was gonna be this bad though, to be honest with you. Look. It's bad. Even with the cougar paws I got, you hit granules, it doesn't matter. Slip, slide, gone. Really healthy. What type of phone do you have?
iPhone 13 Pro.
Okay, so you had a decent camera on there.
Oh yeah, really good camera.
At least they can see all this crap that's falling apart just from me barely hammering.
No, I'm just capturing all the granules falling.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it. Let them see. Let them see. Look, just tapping it barely. I ain't even putting nothing on it. Where do you go, baby? Make sure we got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 nails. Found her. You mind giving me a hand right here? I
Yeah,
apologize.
no. That's gonna go. That's gonna go.
Yep. The ground's just ain't nothing you can do about it. Please be careful.
No, you're good. You want me to hold it up?
Just right there, yes, sir. All right. I'll grab the tar and I will seal the nails up. That's. Look.
Yeah, I see it.
It's crazy.